Hey everyone, it's Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we're checking out the 84 Audi Sport Quattro, both the mainline and the Super Treasure Hunt. So smash that big thumbs up, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. Now you can see here, this is car 10 of 10 in the Factory Fresh series for 2020. We pulled this car from the Hot Wheels 2020 H case. Now, this was released last year, 2019, in the Baja Blazers series, but I'm really happy that we've got it here in Factory Fresh. Without all those extra tampos on it that we saw last year for 2019, this car is actually pretty cool. And you can see here in this bright red color with those white rimmed wheels, very, very nice. A tinted window and a black interior really set this car off. You know, it's actually a car you'd like to own. So with those tampos on the front for the headlights and the Audi symbol, as well as the tampos on the rear for the tail lights, it's a very nice looking car. So don't forget, stick around, we'll check out the Super Treasure Hunt and we'll get this Audi Sports Quattro on the track. Now let's see the mainline on the track and see how it performs. So I did actually try this car a good few times and I kept wiping it out. As you just saw here, it fell off the track and I was really disheartened. It was going so badly, and then I was like, this is my last try for this car, and it went perfectly. It kept going around and around and around and around, and so I was like a sigh of relief because it actually worked. So it was a big thumbs up for me. Now let's take a look at the Super Treasure Hunt version of the 84 Audi Sport Quattro. Again, car 10 of 10 in that Factory Fresh series. Now it's wearing Spectra Flame red paint. You can see here on the card we have the Super Treasure Hunt symbol. Let's get it off the card and take a look. I tell you what, this color is spectacular on this car. I thought the red on the mainline was nice. This Spectra Flame here is even better. We've got the same tampo details on the front there for the headlights and the Audi symbol. We have the same tinted windows and black interior, and we can see also the same tampos on the rear for the tail lights. But we've also got that Super Treasure Hunt symbol. Don't forget, celebrating the 25-year anniversary of Treasure Hunts for Hot Wheels. So the symbol is the 25TH for this year, 2020. Smash that big thumbs up if you like this Super Treasure Hunt Audi Sport Quattro. Now, I didn't put the Super Treasure Hunt on the track because I didn't want to hurt it, but I did just want to compare the mainline here with the Super Treasure Hunt so we can see the differences with wheels and color combination. So let me know in the comments below which is your favorite out of the two. Don't just pick the Super Treasure Hunt because it's the Super. Let me know which one you actually prefer. I think for me, I really like the styling of the wheels on the mainline, but I really love the color of the Super Treasure Hunt, so I'm really torn. Alright everyone, smash that big thumbs up, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. Alright everyone, thanks for watching.